Hello everyone, welcome to the class. I am Charanjit here from California Public School. Today we are going to start our first chapter, that is numbers. In this chapter we are going to start the first topic, that is number system. Number system is the way of representing numbers. Before using number system, we use fingers to count anything. By fingers, large numbers cannot be represented, so there is a need of universal system that could be used for large numbers, and we will keep the records more easily. So what is the number system? It is the way of writing the numbers to represent something. And here, what is the base? The total number of digits in a number system, that is called base, or we can say that also radix. Here, number that is has base can only have 5 digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The number which has the base 10 contains only 10 digits, that is 0 to 9. Look at the diagram. Here are 4 number systems are there: binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal. Binary uses only 2 digits, octal uses 8 digits, decimal uses 10 digits, and hexadecimal uses 16 digits. Now we will discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, we will discuss decimal number system. Decimal number system is used in our daily life. All numbers used in mathematics are called decimal numbers. Number is represented by 10 digits, that is 0 to 9. So base of the decimal number system is 10. Here example 4287 is the decimal number which has the base 10. If we write 4287 without base, so it is also called decimal number because by default number has base 10. Decimal odometer is totally based on decimal number system. It contains a set of 6 wheels. Digits from 0 to 9 are written on wheels, and odometer can show maximum up to 99,999 km as shown in figure. Next number system is binary number system. Binary number concept is developed by Dr. John V. Newman, and bi means 2. So binary number system contains only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. So that's why its base is 2. In example, here is the binary number 01000010 and 2 is its base. Binary odometers uses only 2 wheels for 0 and 1. Now we are going to start conversion of decimal number into binary number. We use double-double method for it. In this method, given decimal number is divided by 2 and writing the remainder after each division. We read all the remainders in reverse order and binary number is obtained. Students, we take example of conversion decimal number into binary number. Here I take example of 25 number of base 10, that is decimal number, is to be converted into the binary number. Okay, so let's start how we can divide 25 number by 2, write its quotient, and what is the remainder? Remainder is written here 1. Again divide this number by 2, 6 2 is 12. What is the remainder? 0. Remainder is written over here. Again divide this number by 2, 3 2 is 6 and remainder is 0. We divide the number again and again till we get 0 as a quotient. So 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. Again divide 1 by 2, so remainder is 1. When we get quotient 0, then we stop this division, and this remainder is most significant bit. This remainder is least significant bit. Now to get the binary number, we read it as from bottom to top like this: 1 1 001. This is your binary number. Next conversion is decimal to binary conversion of real numbers. How we can convert the real numbers into binary? So in previous example we have seen how whole number is converted into binary number. Real number is divided into two parts, integral part and fractional part. What are the steps for fractional part? Multiply each fractional part by 2 and record its carry in the integral part. Continue above the step till the fractional part becomes 0. If it does not become 0, continue up to the 4 iteration only. Let's take example of decimal real numbers that we want to convert into binary number. So how we can? Firstly, we are solving integral part of decimal number by same method that we have done. Divide the 26 by 2 and write the remainder here. 13 2s are 26. So remainder is 0. Again divide the 13. 6 2s are 12. Remainder is 1. Again we divide the number by 2. 3 2s are 6. Remainder is 0. And 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 1. Then remainder is 1. So what is the answer? That is 1 1 0 1 0. Now see the conversion of fractional part of decimal number. So we write here 0.675 into 2. So answer is 1.50. So the carry is written over here 1. Again we have to write 0.50 into 2. So answer is 1.00. Carry is written over here. So this fraction part becomes 0. So now we stop the calculation and we write these carries from top to bottom. So answer is 1 1. So this is the conversion of decimal fractional numbers into binary number. Now we are going to convert the binary number into decimal. To convert the binary number into decimal number, we are drawing a table that contains rows and columns. First row is for binary number that we want to convert. Second row is for power. And third row is for value. Yes, so we are writing here this number 1 0 1 0 1 like this. And we start the power of 2 from right side. It is started with 0. 2 is the raised to power 0. 2 is the raised to power 1. 2, 3, 4, up to so on. And then calculate this value. 2 is raised to power 0 is 1. 2 is raised to power 1 is 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. And 2 is to raised to power 4 is 16. Now multiply this value with corresponding this binary digit is 1 into 1 plus multiply this value with this binary digit 0 into 2 plus 1 into 4 plus 8 into 0 plus 16 into 1. So multiplied each number, and after adding these numbers, sorry, it is 0. After adding each number, we get the result 16 plus 4 plus 1 is 21. So this is the decimal number corresponding to binary number. Next conversion is convert the fractional binary number into decimal number. So let's take example and understand this conversion. We want to convert this number into decimal. So firstly we have to make the table for that, and we write the number here 101 with dot also, with decimal point also. So then how we can write the power of 2 for integral part? 2 is the power 0 and 1 in increasing order from right to left, but we write the power 2 minus 1 from left to right for the fractional part of the binary number in decreasing order. So now what is the value of 2 is raised to power minus 2? 0.25. 2 is the raised to power minus 1, 0.5. Here it is the value 1, 2. 2 is raised to power 2 is 4. So now multiply this corresponding value to the binary digit. Right here 0 multiplied by 0.25, then multiplied 1 by 0.5, 1 multiplied by 1, then 0 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 4. Add all these numbers. 4 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0.5 plus 0. So what will be the answer? That is 5.5. This is the decimal number is equivalent to this binary number. So all students, I hope you have cleared all the concepts. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy. Goodbye.